Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Priyanka. Today's video is going to be interesting because Kankatala has a huge sale going on. Their KPHB branch has a huge sale. I posted this on my Instagram stories as well and a lot of you guys were interested. So they have like a huge sale on their blouses. Everything which is probably at 500 is now down to 250, 230. There's a lot of different options in these Banaras fabric blouses, and there's some handloom blouses as well, and they have sizes up to 44 with a little bit of margin on the side. You may not find plus sizes, but there's a lot of options in excess to like 42, 44. And then there's sale on all of the sarees. So the Pattu sarees, bridals, and really good party wear sarees, wedding wear collection also has a huge sale, and there's a huge sale on like casual wear sarees, everyday sarees, and even sarees which are under 1,000. There's a whole section just lying around which are under 1,000. These are like Banaras fancy sarees, Nara and these kind of fabrics. So they're all under 1,000. There's a lot of options in under 500 and under 800 as well. So if you're looking to like add some collection to your wardrobe, or if you're looking to like gift, like these sarees are really good. They look very pretty and the fabric is also really good. They don't look like they're under 1,000. Have like 40 to 60% off on a lot of these, and these are really good because you get them for about 800. And if you want to make a lehenga and dupatta out of it, or if you want to make like a long dress or anything out of it, cord sets, then these are actually very pretty. When it comes to pure Pattu, Banaras and Kanchi, all these are also on good sale. Something that you would normally get for 30,000 is now around 22k. I couldn't really shoot much because they were not allowing me to shoot, so I just have like few clips here and there. So overall they have like a really good sale, so do check it out. I'm not sure till when the sale is going on. I'll try and put the dates right here, and this is in the KPHB branch. I don't think the other ones are on sale, so I think it was in local newspapers. So that was about the sale, and I also saw some draped ready-made sarees on the top floor which are just for like 500. There's a lot of fancy sarees, and that's all they had. They had some lehengas which are not on sale, and they didn't have any dupattas or dresses. So that was about the sale. Now I'll show you guys what we got. We didn't get a lot of things, but they're very pretty kota sarees and some super net and kora sarees. All of these were very beautiful. So if you're looking for something for like college, like freshers party, or if you're some office going, and if you're looking for something to wear to work or special occasions at work, then they're like really pretty sarees. They're like nice pastels, not just the Banaras fancy ones, but they're also like lightweight net kind of sarees and kota kind of sarees. They're very pretty. So we picked up this one. This is a very beautiful onion pink, so pretty, and a very young sort of collection. So you can wear this for sure for like any special occasions. If you have like a birthday coming up, or if you have some work event, or like a party, college related, like freshers farewell party, those kind of things also you can go for these. They're very pretty. You can style it up with like a floral blouse and it will look so beautiful. The quality was also really good. I saw one floral kota saree also. It is so pretty, and like there are a lot of beautiful pastel options also. So I just got one saree for myself. This is a Bandini saree, and this is just so beautiful. There were a lot of color options, like magenta with magenta, and like a lot of Bandini options, and bright colors, and lighter pinks and onion pink, greens, a lot of different color options. But as these were actually lying on the table, and my eyes directly went to this because it's such a bright color combination. I thought it would be really beautiful. I thought I can get a lehenga made out of it, or maybe I'll wear it as a sari, I'm not sure. So this is originally priced at some 12,000. Let me just find the tag. So this is originally priced at 12,421, and it's on 30% off, so I got it for 8,695. There were a lot of color options in this. So it's a very beautiful Bandini silk fabric, Bandini silk sari. So I have a lot of cottons in Bandini, like dupattas, and I used to have a Bandini silk lehenga, but I don't have that anymore. Like I've made it into a dress. It it was probably in one of those lehenga to dress kind of outfit videos that I made earlier. But anyway, this is a very pure silk one, so it's very pretty. So I think it's totally worth it. Here it has like maroon and purple transition, and here also the border is very beautiful. I think it makes for a very good lehenga. If you're looking to convert something like this into lehenga also, I think it's great. So this is the pallu. Just look at it, so beautiful. I think it would look very nice for some wedding related events. I think I can wear it for mehendi or like someone's pelli kuturu function or something like that. I think the blouse is also purple. Yeah, this is the blouse. Wow, look at the color. I really like this purple and yellow combination. It's just so beautiful, and you can see the quality. It's really good. So I'll try and drape it and show you guys, but I haven't gotten the rolling done yet. So after the rolling, I think it would give a better look. But yeah, such a beautiful saree. So if you're looking for something on the expensive side also, there are a lot of options. I've seen some Pattu sarees for 22, which are originally priced at 30 or 35. The quality was good, but they're very limited options. There's not a lot of stock in these Pattu sarees and bridal sarees, like the wedding wear sarees. There's a lot of options in the lower end, 1000, 1500, these price ranges. There's a lot of options and very beautiful colors. Even those are like really good, so you can definitely get something you know, in whatever budget you're looking for. So this is the last saree that we picked up. So this is again like a little batik print. It's a very basic everyday kind of a saree. It's a basic one, but I think the pricing was really good. Like, okay, so this was on 40% off, and it is for $398. So $398 is actually pretty good. I can even make like a long dress for myself or like some cord set with this. I think it would look really nice. But for everyday use saree also, it's nice. It's soft and good. So this is also pretty nice. So that was all we got. So that was a really quick short video, but a lot of you guys wanted to see what I got when I posted on stories about the sale. So that was all. I just got this Bandini saree, and I was very tempted even looking at the Pattu sarees, but I don't have any big occasions coming up, and I still haven't used some of the sarees which I got during my wedding. So this is all I got. So I hope this video was fun to watch, and let me know what you guys think about this, and if you have shopped there also, let me know what you picked up, and I'll be back with more fun videos. I have a lot of styling videos and hauls coming up, so do stay tuned. And I also launched dupattas and sarees on my website, so you can shop from PriyankaBoppanaOfficial.com. I leave the website link in the description box. There's a lot of Banaras dupattas and Kalamkari dupattas that are available to shop, so do check it out. So that is it for today's video, you guys. Do find me on Instagram for more quick updates and a lot of fun shopping reels and more. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.